What's going on, everybody? Jeff coming back at ya. Did you guys know that you can sand metal? What? Surprise. But it's true. So, as I'm taking this car back down through all the layers, it's like unearthing some hidden treasures or some previous failed attempts at bodywork and stuff. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick this up. Okay, so this is what I'm sanding right now, bare metal with 120. Okay, and you see all these heavy grooves here? Does that pick it up? Okay, sanded, smooth, 120, grooves. Okay, so that's where someone's knocked down most of the previous paint with probably 80 grit, maybe even coarser than that, and scrape the metal so hard, and they're like, oh, the only next best thing I can do is just apply Bondo all over the whole car. And that's basically what they did. It looks like there was a skim coat of Bondo and then maybe like an E-coat or a primer or sealer on top of that. You don't have to go straight for the filler, boys, right off the bat. You can sand and you can shape metal. That's why they invented files. That's why there's sanders there. This right here is so smooth. One coat of primer and all these 120 grit marks are gonna be gone. These 40 grit pock marks here will not be, but that used to be all right here. You can sand your metal. You can get body lines and everything straight before you have to hit filler. Filler should be the last resort for the little imperfections that you're just not gonna be able to get. Hope this video finds you well, guys. Just remember, it's all in the prep. It's all in the prep. Like, share, subscribe.